Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Greensburg, local and long distance movers near me. When moving over a distance of 50 miles from your current address, it's a long distance move. A long distance move is very complicated, and when carried out by incompetent movers, you experience damage to your property, missing items, waste of time, and money. Hiring 3 movers will save you from many hassles. We put everything in place to achieve a successful move, and we can travel long distances because we work with state and federal authorities in charge of relocation. We hire only expert movers, and our movers handle your belongings with care. Also, we work with drivers with years of experience and valid licenses. Our moving trucks are the best standards, and they have compartments that protect your belongings throughout the trip. We have done the necessary registration and proper permits to move your belongings without altercations. We also provide adequate local moving services in Greensburg, and local moves are usually less expensive than long-distance moves. At 3 Movers, we offer the best moving rates that you can get anywhere. Our moving rates are between $30 and $40 per hour. We are also conversant with all the routes in the city and will get you there on time. We'll also help you move your belongings to your new location quickly. To ensure total protection of your belongings, we also have insurance in place to cover risks during the relocation process. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Greensburg moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, furniture moving, residential moving, international moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.